What's up, Peak Timers? It's race day, and today we've got Supercars versus Hypercars in this 16-car tournament drag race. Let's find out which team is the fastest. Make yourself an official Peak Timer by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn those notifications on so you don't miss an upcoming video. Our cars are all set for race number 1 of our Supercars versus Hypercars. We're doing 4 races of 4 cars each, 1 car from each race. We'll move on to our finals, which is a best of 3. Representing Supercars, we've got the Lamborghini Huracan and the McLaren 720S. And representing the Supercars, we've got the McLaren P1 and the Aston Martin Vulcan. Here we go, race number 1. On your mark, get set, go! And the Lamborghini Huracan takes the win in race number 1. We're all set for race number 2. We've got the Bugatti Chiron and the Koenigsegg Agera R versus the Audi R8 Spider and the Porsche Carrera GT. Who's gonna take it in race number 2? Let's find out. On your mark, get set, go! And the Porsche Carrera GT takes the win for Team Supercars. Therefore, we have 2 Team Supercar cars in the finals already. Let's see if one of the Hypercars can get into the finals from race number 3. For the Hypercars, we've got the Bugatti Veyron and the Lamborghini Veneno. And representing the Supercars, we've got 2 Ferraris, the 458 Spider and the 430 Spider. Here we go, race number 3. On your mark, get set, go! And the Lamborghini Veneno takes the win in race number 4, representing the Hypercars in the finals now. But we have a chance for it to be 2 versus 2 in the finals. Let's find out in race number 4 who is racing. For Team Hypercars, we've got the Porsche 918 Spider and the Ferrari LaFerrari. For Team Supercars, we've got the Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera and the 2017 Ford GT. Here we go, race number 4. On your mark, get set, go! The Porsche 918 Spider takes the win in race number 4. Therefore, we've got 2 Hypercars and 2 Supercars in our finals. The Lamborghini Huracan, the Porsche Carrera GT, and the Lamborghini Veneno and Porsche 918 Spider. Supercars versus Hypercars. Best of 3 finals. 1 car has to win 2 races. Here we go. Race number 1 of our finals. On your mark, get set, go! The Porsche Carrera GT takes the win for Team Supercars. Therefore, it just needs 1 more win to win it for Team Supercars. Here we go. Race 2 of our finals. On your mark, get set, go! And the Porsche Carrera GT takes the win and wins it for Team Supercars. Congratulations, Team Supercars, on beating out the big Hypercars. Let me know in the comments section down below which was your favorite car that raced in today's tournament, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.